Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the boy vibes. If you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a trending gist like this. Well, today on this video we are going to be talking about kizz. Well, kizz has invited Sabinus, Broda, Shaggi and Poco to his studio to dance to his latest song, although it will cough. His latest song titled Cough. That song is a banger, man. If you have not heard the song, that song is a banger. But I won't be talking much in this video, so you will see the amazing move of Sabinus and the likes of Ashake, Broda, Shaggi, and some Nigerian football stars dancing and vibing to his Cough. Stay tuned. Make do well to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.